Hi, welcome to Murapankha Entertainment. In today's video, we can see the top 25 Telugu shows of this week. Basically, in this channel called Murapankha Entertainment, we can see the various kind of videos like Telugu serials TRP, Tamil, Kannada, Bengali serials TRP, and a brand new segment called Regional Serials TRP. So, if you like our channel, so please subscribe to our channel. And if you like today's videos, so don't forget to click on like button and please share with your friends, family. And let's start today's video. First of all, we can see the shows between top 25 to top 21. So on number 25, we have the Telugu show Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup, and this TRP of Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup is 4.51. With this TRP, Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup is coming in average category. We can see the little decrement in position as well as the TRP of Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup. So on number 24, we have Star Ma serial Gupet Datta Mansoor, and this TRP of Gupet Datta Mansoor is 4.58. With this TRP, Gupet Datta Mansoor is coming in average category. So on number 23, we have Star Ma serial Kumkuma Povu, and this TRP of Kumkuma Povu is 4.63. With this TRP, Kumkuma Povu is coming in average category, as well as we can see the little increment in position as well as the TRP of Kumkuma Povu. Then on number 22, we have Star Ma serial Vantalaka, and this TRP of Vantalaka is 4.66. With this TRP, Vantalaka is coming in average category. So on number 21, we have the Telugu show Gudamma Katha, and this TRP of Gudamma Katha is 4.89. With this TRP, Gudamma Katha is coming in average category. So now we can see the shows between top 20 to top 16. So on number 20, we have Star Ma serial Madhura Nagarelo, and this TRP of Madhura Nagarelo is 4.91. With this TRP, Madhura Nagarelo is coming in good category, as well as we can see the major increment in TRP as well as the position of Madhura Nagarelo. So on number 19, we have the Telugu show Suryakantam, and this TRP of Suryakantam is 4.94. With this TRP, Suryakantam is coming in good category. So on number 18, we have Star Ma serial Pape Ma Jeevana Jyoti, and this TRP of Pape Ma Jeevana Jyoti is 5.04. With this TRP, Pape Ma Jeevana Jyoti is coming in good category. So on number 17, we have Star Ma serial Inennu Janmana Bandhana, and this TRP of Inennu Janmana Bandhana is 5.08. With this TRP, Inennu Janmana Bandhana is coming in good category. So on number 16, we have the Telugu brand new show Mahavara Vastaru, and this week TRP of Mahavara Vastaru is 5.23. This is the first week TRP of Mahavara Vastaru. With this TRP, Mahavara Vastaru is coming in good category. So now we can see the shows between top 15 to top 11. So on number 15, we have the Telugu show Mukkupuda, and this week TRP of Mukkupuda is 5.25. With this TRP, Mukkupuda is coming in good category. So on number 14, we have Star Ma serial Janaki Kalaguna Ledu, and this week TRP of Janaki Kalaguna Ledu is 5.28. With this TRP, Janaki Kalaguna Ledu is coming in good category. So on number 13, we have Star Ma serial Intakki Dipam Ilayu, and this week TRP of Intakki Dipam Ilayu is 5.37. With this TRP, Intakki Dipam Ilayu is coming in good category. So on number 12, we have Star Ma serial Yada Lelo Indra Dhanusu, and this week TRP of Yada Lelo Indra Dhanusu is 5.42. With this TRP, Yada Lelo Indra Dhanusu is coming in good category. So on number 11, we have the Telugu serial Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati, and this week TRP of Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati is 6.18. With this TRP, Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati is coming in good category. We can see the minor increment in the show in the TRP of the show. So now we can see the shows between top 10 to top 6. So on number 10, we have Star Ma serial Mali, and this week TRP of Mali is 6.54. With this TRP, Mali is coming in good category. So on number 9, we have Star Ma serial Nuvu Nena Prema, and this TRP of Nuvu Nena Prema is 6.74. With this TRP, Nuvu Nena Prema is coming in good category. So on number 8 we have the Telugu show Amai Guru, and this with TRP of Amai Guru is 8.04. With this TRP, Amai Guru is coming in good category. So on number 7 we have Star Ma serial Krishnama Kalpatti Idhar Nadi, and this with TRP of Krishnama Kalpatti Idhar Nadi is 7.33. With this TRP, Krishnama Kalpatti Idhar Nadi is coming in good category. On number 6 we have the Telugu show Padmati Sandhya Ragama, and this with TRP of Padmati Sandhya Ragama is 7.92. With this TRP, Padmati Sandhya Ragama is coming in good category. So now we can see the shows between top 5. So now we can see the top 5 Telugu shows of this week. On number 5 we have the Telugu show Triyani, and this with TRP of Triyani is 8.95. With this TRP, Triyani is coming in great category. So on number 4 we have the Telugu serial Prema Antha Madhuram, and this with TRP of Prema Antha Madhuram is 9.21. With this TRP, Prema Antha Madhuram is coming in good category. So on number 4 we have Star Ma serial Nagapanchami, and this with TRP of Nagapanchami is 9.28. With this TRP, Nagapanchami is coming in great category. Then on number 2 we have Star Ma serial Krishna Mukunda Murari, and this with TRP of Krishna Mukunda Murari is 9.39. With this TRP, Krishna Mukunda Murari is coming in great category. So the number 1 show of Telugu market is Star Ma show Brahmamundi, and this with TRP of Brahmamundi is 11.41. With this TRP, Brahmamundi is coming in great category, as well as the Brahmamundi is the number 1 show in whole India. So that's it. This is a list of top 25 Telugu shows of this week. If you like today's video, then share with your friends, family. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please press the like button. It's free. So meet you in next video. Till then, take care.